Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. So today we are going to continue our chapter number 1, that is about evolution of computers, and today's our topic is generations of computer. Page number 5. So there are 5 generations of computer. Today we will discuss first 3 generations. Well, students, the history of computer development is referred to with respect to the different generations of computer. The size of computers has decreased drastically and the speed, storage capacity and reliability have increased manifold. Each generation of computer is marked by a major technological development. Okay, the computer that were developed in 1951 to 1959 were called first generation of computers. First generation of computer were based upon the use of vacuum tubes. A vacuum tube consists of glass bulb and wire. The wire is used to carry data in the form of electronic signals. Well, first generation uses vacuum tube, magnetic tape drives, and magnetic core memory were developed. ENIAC standby electronic numerical integrator and computer was the first electronic digital computer. It uses about 18,000 vacuum tubes. Its size was too much large. This was very hard to read and write programs by every person. The first generation computer produced too much heat. Well, here I am showing the picture of vacuum tube. Well, these computers were very large, expensive, and required huge amount of electricity. Okay, next generation. Move to next generation. The second generation computer was developed between 1959 to 1965. Well, students, second generation computer uses a new electronic device called transistors. In the place of vacuum tube, the storage capacity of a computer also increased during this generation. Second generation of computer also started showing the characteristics of modernly utility such as printers, disk storage, and operating systems. Many financial information was processed by using these computers. Okay, here I am showing the picture of transistors. Okay, now we are going to discuss the material which was used in second generation of computer. Material was transistors, magnetic cores, 32,000 bits that was used in second generation, and punch cards. Now, what is the difference between first generation and second generation of a computer? The second generation computer used transistors instead of vacuum tube. As transistors were smaller than vacuum tubes, the computer became much smaller in size. They also became faster and cheaper. Okay, now move to next generation. Third generation computer were developed in 1965 to 1971. The third generation computers were generally much smaller in size than their earlier version. Integrated circuits were used in the computers for the first time. Keyboards and monitors were used as input and output devices. The speed was increased and the computer became more efficient. Well, the examples of third generations are IBM 360 and second one is Apple IIc. Okay, here I'm showing the picture of third generation computer. Okay, I'm sure you have understood today's topic. Hopefully, there will be no confusion. And one more thing, I have a home task for you. Here is some MCQs. You will solve these MCQs on your book, page number 8. You can get answers of these MCQs from this lecture. Move to next slide. Answer the following questions. Question number 1 is, which is the first calculating device? Question number 2 is, who is known as father of computers? Third one is, which device consists of board and set of rods? And fourth one is, what is a punch card? You will solve all these questions on your notebook. Okay, that's the end of my lecture. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.